Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Gemini placements. Okay, so love reading hanggang end ng October. Tingnan natin yung next action ni person mo and gabay para sa iyo. Okay? So, tingnan natin, ha? Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga next na mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, if you're interested sa ating private reading, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating mga evil eye for protection from evil eye. Okay? And sa ating granter necklace and sa ating new item for cleansing, just message me. Okay? And kung gusto nyo naman mag-try na magpa-read kay Perception of Light, message na lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, meron po kaming kanya-kanya mga FB page. So, ngayon, nasa page ko kayo. Okay? So, puntahan nyo lang yung aming kanya-kanyang page. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start your reading, Gemini. Okay, Gemini placements, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and the North Node. Okay, so, sino ba yan? The person on your mind. Let's see. Who is that person? Okay, sino ba yung person mo, Gemini? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay. Oh, the Ace of Wands in reversed. A failed start, a false start. May nangyaring false start with this person or sa connection nyo, may nangyaring false start. Why is that? Ace of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the Star in reverse. May nangyaring sabihin nating fallout. Okay? False start na, fallout pa. Saan ka pa? Okay. The Five of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Meron ditong umalis. Okay. Someone, sabihin natin, kung hindi man umalis, meron ditong parang hopeless pagdating dito sa taong to, or maybe they're the one who is feeling hopeless pagdating sa'yo. Okay. Andito yung energy na pwedeng hindi mo siya makuha. The Star in the reversed. Hindi mo siya makuha. Okay? Yung energy is like unfulfilled. Okay? Pagdating sa kanya. Anong situation nyo? Let's see. Pwedeng aqua. Pwedeng fire sign. Ano ba ang situation nyo nitong taong to? The Four of Cups. Someone is being ignored, feeling rejected. Right, the Four of Cups. Someone is upset. Meron ditong parang nagtatantrums, no? Okay, Four of Cups, the Hermit. Someone is sad. Someone is holding back their own, maybe their true feelings, true emotion. Someone is held back. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Swords. There is this energy ng hiding secrets. Okay? Someone is sad. Someone is feeling upset. Parang meron ditong nakakaramdam ng hindi na-appreciate. I don't know kung sino nakakaramdam nun ngayon sa sitwasyon. Pero may nang-i-ignore dito. Meron ditong nang ghost. Okay, may nang ghost dito. Bigla, nawala. Biglang, yeah. It's like a false start. Okay? May nangyaring false start. Maybe may nag-reach out or something like may nakikita ka ng kaunting kalinawan and then biglang inalis, biglang nag-block uli. Parang ganon. Okay? Parang may ganyang energy. So now someone is searching for an answer, searching for clarity. Maybe. Okay? Let's see. Ano bang emosyon nito towards you, Gemini? We have here Virgo and water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So ano ba ang totoong feelings deep down ng taong to sa'yo? The King of Swords. Cold, detached, silent. Why is this? The Knight of Cups in reversed. Hot and cold. Alam mo, itong taong to, sa tingin ko hindi siya emotionally connected sa'yo, okay? Or maybe they're being practical. Yeah. Why the Knight of Cups in reversed? Anong dahilan nito ng pagiging hot and cold? They're like in and out. Hindi sila consistent pagdating sa emosyon na pinapakita. How is that? The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Maybe something na pwedeng trauma, no, na nakuha ng taong to sa past niya. So ngayon, they are being cold, avoidant. Okay? So someone, nakakaramdam ako dito na pwedeng may takot sila na maging open emotionally. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups. May takot nga. The Fool in reversed. Okay? They're maybe making a healthy boundary. So, they're setting a healthy boundaries from you. I don't know why. Okay. May chance kasi specific, I don't know, general is may chance na may trauma ito. Okay? May trauma na nangyari sa past na hindi pa rin siya totally healed. The star is here in reversed. Hindi pa to healed. Okay? Alam nyo, ang nakuha ko, Gemini, ha? Umasa kayo dito. Yeah. May umasa rito. And then ngayon, meron ditong parang naiinis, nayayamot. Umasa kasi. May umasa. And now, hindi mo makita yung totoong feelings nito for you. Okay? Because they're giving you mixed signals. Or they're being in and out, hot and cold, pagdating sa'yo. So, nakakagulo talaga yun. Ano bang gusto niya? Like that. Let's see. Ito na. Ano bang next action ng taong to? Anong next action niya bago mag-end ang October? Anong next action niya, Gemini, pagdating sa'yo bago mag-end ang October? This person is not healed, I think. Okay? Kaya napakalaki ng epekto. Mapabago man tong taong to, mapaluma. Okay? Still, their past affecting them. Okay? So, next action niya, the Hanged Man in reversed. Why is that? The Page of Wands in reversed. They will give you hints. Yeah, they will give you hints. They will get your attention. Okay? Kasi nandun nga yung mga doubt ng taong to. Gusto nito na makita yung totoo mo ring emotion for them. Okay? It's like gusto ko munang makasigurado. Being the King of Swords, andyan yung aaralin niya talaga. This is like a new connection. Not a past person. Yeah. This is a new connection or a new person. Hindi pa kayo nagkaroon ng romantic connection ng taong to. 100%. Yun ang nakukuha ko. So, kung yung person mo is a past person, this is not your reading. Okay? So, this is a new person. Hindi siya nagiging transparent sa kanyang emotion for you. Okay? They're, sabihin natin, inaaral ng taong to kung ano magiging action or emotion nito pagdating sa'yo. Okay? They will give you hints para malaman nila kung anong totoo mong emotion for them. See? The Four of Swords. Okay? Yeah, and the Page of Swords. Titingnan yan. Ang energy is like mapagmasid. Aaralin ka ng taong to. Aaralin ka niya. Hindi ito magiging open emotionally. Okay? Utak ang nagana dito sa taong to, not emotion. Okay? Not emotion. So, I guess, sasabihin kong nagustuhan ka rin ng taong to, Gemini. Okay? Marunong lang talaga itong gumawa ng healthy boundaries pagdating sa mga taong gustong kumonek sa kanya in general. Okay? Kasi hindi siya healed. Okay? May trauma itong taong to. I don't know kung ano. In general, may takot. May takot siyang maging vulnerable pagdating sa emosyon. Okay, so yeah, pwedeng nasaktan yan sa past. Okay? Tingnan natin. Anong advice for you, Gemini, pagdating dito sa taong to? Okay, or sa sitwasyon nyo na to. So, I guess, hindi mo kailangang madaliin to kung gusto mo rin naman tong taong to. Okay? Okay, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So, gayahin mo yung energy niya. Okay? Mag-set ka rin ng healthy boundaries. Know your limit. Magkaroon din ng respect if ever. Okay? Matuto tayong tumingin ng boundaries ng iba. Parang ganyan. With the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. And yeah, hindi mo rin kailangan maging open or maging, sabihin natin, laging present for them. Okay? For this person. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Ito yung sasabihin kong energy na parang kailangan mong maging relax lang. Hindi mo pwedeng, or hindi mo kailangan ipakita sa taong tong ngarag na ngarag ka pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Okay? I don't know. I don't know why. See, the Ten of Swords is here. May mga pagkakataon na kailangan talagang wag ipilit, wag madaliin. Okay? Kasi kapag minadali, nandun yung pagbagsak rin ng madali. Parang ganun. Okay? I don't know. Ito yung energy na hindi kailangan madaliin. Okay? This is like a slow burner connection. I think so. Kung kaya nyong gawing slow burner tong connection na to, do it. Itong taong to hindi nagmamadali. Okay? Yeah, see? The Ace of Swords. Hindi ko nakikita the Knight of Wands, yes. Okay, so parang ang kailangan mo ring gawin in general is maging equal ka sa pinapakita ng taong to. Okay? Kung ngingitian ka niya, ngitian mo lang din. Like that. No more, no less. Okay? And then eventually, unti-unti, magiging open. Like that. Okay? Kasi maghahanap to ng hints. Or magbibigay to ng hints na, gusto ka rin niya. Okay? So, kapag mayroon siyang binigay na hints, dapat makakita siya ng something na, gusto mo rin. Itong taong to. This is a new connection. Not a past connection. Okay, Gemini. Wala pang nangyaring energy ng romantic connection sa inyong dalawa. Again, If you're here for a past person, this is not your reading. I'm sorry. Better luck next time, o diba? Okay, so makichikan lang muna tayo dito sa buhay na kung sino man to na nire-read natin. Okay, so yeah. Alam nyo, may potential itong connection na to na pwedeng mangyari. Okay, may potential, may chance na magkaroon ng magandang outcome sa inyong dalawa. Sa tutuusin lang. Okay, sa tutuusin. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. For you, Gemini. Okay. Okay, Aries. Gusto nila makipag-ayos. Taurus, same din. Gusto nila makipag-ayos. Some of you, there's a third party na pwedeng may issue nga na third party. Pero nandyan yung pagpili rin. Nandyan rin yung pag-aalis ng third party, I think. Okay. Gemini. Okay. Okay, decision. Okay. So, nandyan yung etong si Gemini na to, may chance na gumawa ng decision, pero hindi ko nakikitang magiging mature decision yung gagawin. Okay? Cancer. Okay, this Cancerian likes you. Yeah, they're admiring you from afar, maybe. Leo. So, meron silang gustong sabihin. Ibunyag. Parang ganyan. Virgo. So, feeling nila incomplete. They feel incomplete. I don't know why. Maybe they want to, sabihin natin makipag-ayos. Meron ditong 3 of Swords. Libra. Some of them, hindi ka na masyadong iniisip na itong Librang to. Okay? Nakakatulog-tulog na rin naman itong Libra na to. Maybe before, hindi siya nakakatulog-tulog. Ngayon, nakakatulog-tulog na. Okay? So, Scorpio, they want to make a return. They want a repeat. Sagittarius, their option is open. There's a lot of option, a lot of, sabihin nating pinagpipilian. So, may energy ng player. Itong si Sag. Capricorn, they're being guarded. Yeah, they're being guarded. Aquarius, I don't know, may chance na nire-reject mo or nire-reject ka nito ni Aqua. May chance rin na pwedeng naka-upset ka or nakaka-upset yung energy pagdating sa inyong dalawa ni Aqua. Pisces, some of you may chance na magkaroon ng bagong karelasyon na pwedeng, Pisces. Okay, pero kung mayroon kayong karelasyon ngayon na Pisces nga, may chance ng stepping up, may chance ng leveling up pagdating sa connection. Okay? May offer dito. Yeah, okay? Energy ng reaching out. May ganun na ring energy from this Pisces. Okay, so there. Yun ang ating reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!